Hello there traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the US dollar index, gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So what I found here on the daily time frame is that I alerted you in previous week basically that we had a breakout on the rising 50-day moving average, so it was a nice continuation on breakout. But it seems like this market is still heavily bullish and I don't see any signs for any reversal at this stage. So I will still expect market to go higher and to revisit 131.35. My advice to watch for intraday pullbacks and continuational patterns with a upside target at the 131.35. Again, heavy bull cycle on short, mid-term and long-term perspective and no signs for the big reversal. I expect higher prices on this currency pair. Speaking of the US dollar index, this is a key decision area and we have a contraction on the daily time frame on the rising 50. We start to build a higher low. If there is a breakout in if we can see the breakout of this contraction, we might expect at least 102.73 on the test. And if we can break that and hold above, then 103.86 can be in the play and 105 level can also be in the play. If we take the low of this contraction and go and close lower, this might open the door for 99, 70, 99, 80 level, maybe for market to go towards the 100 rising 100 moving average. But again, for now I will prefer to watch this upside continuation because this midterm trends up and building higher low. Speaking of the gold market is in a heavy sideways regime. Basically what I found here is in the last I'll say 6 to 8 days, we have a consolidation overlapping bars and candles. The position of moving average looks like pretty flat on mid-long-term perspective and the short-term perspective. So this is a heavy sideways regime, and in this kind of regime, we need something bigger, probably fundamental, to happen in order to really go into strongly into one direction. The resistance of this consolidation is set at 1873. And if we can break this, probably market can reach 1897, which we got a recent major swing lows and this 50-day moving average. If we trade lower, below 1827, we can eventually expect 1810 to be on the test and area around 1790. So watch for the breakout of this consolidation in order to confirm further movement. If we speak about the crude oil market, we can see that crude oil is building the higher lows and higher highs, and it's a heavy upside cycle. And we still didn't visit a key cluster of the swing highs here. So still potential for crude to go towards 126 or 129 mark. Watch for intraday pullbacks and buying opportunities on the crude oil because this is a heavy upside regime. And Bitcoin, basically, instead of breaking to the downside, this consolidation that we marked last week, we got a breakout to the upside. So now what can happen, and there is a chance for eventual retest of 32,300 mark, maybe even the price to go towards the 34,000 where we got a major lows and falling 50-day moving average. So again, it's the breakout mode on the Bitcoin to the upside. So potential swing highs and upper references can be in the play. Watch for intraday buying opportunities on the pullbacks and continuational patterns on the intraday. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always and speak to you tomorrow morning.